Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? You know what this is? This is nature. It's really good to get out in it, like every week. Like get out there and just enjoy the quietness, the peace, the serenity. Get your mind, get your body right. Enjoy this stuff, man. This is magic. It's not about the cars and the houses and the Rolexes and the likes and all that. It's about this, the moments. My family's over there. I'm just enjoying it. I just want to share this with you. Enjoy the moments of your life. You don't get to do this over. This life is once in a million times. And you're worried about other fucking people's opinions? Lame.